Mark Twain once stated there are three kinds of lies: lies, damn lies, and statistics. And when it comes to false accusations, statistics are lies. This is because false accusations are a negative. Therefore, proving a false accusation may not be entirely impossible, but it is pretty damn close. Therefore, the odds of us ever coming up with an accurate stat for how many men are actually falsely accused is probably never going to exist. On the other end of the spectrum, conviction rates for this type of crime are less than 4%. Yet despite a relatively low conviction rate, those who argue that only 5% of accusations are false also believe that the other 96% who aren't convicted are just getting away with it. But here's the reality from a skeptic's perspective. If you make a claim, the burden of proof is on you, not the person saying that you're wrong. If one person says that the tooth fairy is real, and one person says the tooth fairy is a myth, who is the burden of proof actually on? It is not up to the accused to prove that the accusation is false. It is up to the accuser to prove that it is an accurate accusation. This isn't to say that 96% of men are falsely accused because of a 4% conviction rate. On the other hand, it does imply that a large percentage of the men who are charged with this type of crime didn't do it at all. This isn't to say all statistics are misleading. But when a set of statistics are built on a foundation of proving a negative, they are never going to be accurate. For this reason, no matter how many research is done on false accusations, we will likely never have an accurate number. The only reason studies that have been done on false accusations suggest a relatively low rate is not because they are rare, but because proving a negative is difficult to impossible.